Hey guys, Kelly and Aaron here with Coldwell Banker ROX Realty. We are doing our January feature of New Year, New Home, New Build. Today we are in McCartney Ranch and we are featuring the Casa homes. They start in the low to mid 300,000 range.
And right now, KHOV is offering a special, move-in special for any buyers who are interested. They have a little over 20 lots that have already been permitted with the city. If you take advantage of purchasing one of these lots, you get the move-in package. The move-in package includes your refrigerator, washer, dryer, garage door opener, as well as a free granite upgrade for your countertops. So fantastic option.
Yep, so we are going to show you the house right now so you can see some of their fabulous features.
I'm eating stars tonight, so watch me bring